The Supreme Court today informed the Cookie Organization for Human Rights Trust that a confidential report filed by the National Forensic Sciences University at Gandhinagar in Gujarat has concluded that audio tapes shot from a whistleblower claiming they contain telephonic conversations of ex-Manipur Chief Minister Biren inciting conflict are modified, edited and tampered. The court was hearing the petition filed by Cookie Organization for Human Rights Trust seeking a court-monitored investigation into audio recordings allegedly implicating ex-Manipur Chief Minister Biren in the state's ethnic violence. A bench headed by Justice Sanjay Kumar read the report of the Premier University in the courtroom as the parties waited on. Justice Kumar then addressed advocates Prasant Bhushan and Cyril D. Souza, appearing for Cookie Organization for Human Trust, that the audio tapes were processed and altered files and not scientifically fit for voice comparison. The bench also noted that consequently no opinion on similarity and dissimilarity of the speakers in the questioned and the control clips can be offered. On the other hand, appearing for the petitioner, Cookie Organization for Human Rights Trust advocate Prasant Bhushan referred to a separate forensic report prepared by True Labs, which found that the 50-minute recording was unedited and indicated a 93% probability that the voice matched that of the same person in the control sample. Justice Kumar responded that the petitioner will be furnished with the NFSL report so that the response could be filed. The bench concluded the hearing, directing that copies of the NFSL report be furnished to both sides before the next date of hearing on December 8.